I recently stayed at the 95 Studios, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience. When we arrived, the check-in process was super smooth and easy, which was awesome after a long trip. We got our codes and keys without any hassle, and it was great to be able to head straight to our room. It felt really efficient and well organized, which is always a plus. Everything was ready for us, making for a really positive start to our stay.
Room, bathroom, and the amenities.
The room itself was really spacious and clean, which was a huge relief, especially after a long day. I loved having my own private bathroom, and the shower had great water pressure, which is always a win. Plus, having a kitchenette with a microwave and fridge was super convenient for quick snacks and drinks. They even had a hairdryer and iron, so I didn't have to worry about packing those extras.
The location and surroundings.
The location was really good, super convenient for getting around since it's close to public transport links like the West Hampstead Tube, Overground, and Thameslink, plus there's a bus stop nearby for central London. I loved that it was in a nice, quiet area, but still had cafes, restaurants, and markets within walking distance, so finding a bite to eat or grabbing some essentials was a breeze. It was awesome to be able to explore the neighborhood and feel like a local. Overall, it was a fantastic spot that made getting around and enjoying the area super easy.
Food, drinks, and dining options.
When it comes to food, I was pretty stoked that each room comes with its own kitchenette. It had a microwave, fridge, toaster, stovetop, and even an electric kettle, so I could totally whip up some quick meals or snacks. It was super handy for breakfast and late-night munchies. Plus, with all the cafes and restaurants just a short walk away, I had plenty of options if I wanted to grab something out.
What's it like to stay here? Staying here, I really appreciated the peace and quiet at night, which meant I actually got some decent sleep, which is always a win for me. The room felt really secure and private, which made me feel super comfortable and at ease throughout my stay. I also loved that it was a non-smoking room, so everything felt fresh and clean. Plus, having free Wi-Fi was a lifesaver for staying connected and planning my adventures.
Let's take a look at the pros and cons.
Here's what I liked about the hotel.
Smooth check-in. Getting in was super easy with codes and keys, no fuss.
Spacious and clean room. The room I got was big and felt really fresh.
Convenient kitchenette. Having a microwave, fridge, and stovetop was awesome for snacks and quick meals. Great location. It's close to public transport and surrounded by cool cafes and shops.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
Noise issues. The soundproofing wasn't great, so I could hear street noise and people in the corridors.
My overall rating for this hotel would be 8.3 out of 10.
So, would I stay here again? Absolutely. Even with a few minor noise issues, the awesome location, comfy rooms, and super convenient kitchenette totally made up for it. I'd definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a chill and well-located spot to crash in West Hampstead.
Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.